Now we are going to learn some words that are related to the means of transport. Moyens de transport. Means of transport. So I have written about 7 words. Shall we see what they mean? The first word is le metro. Le metro. I hope you know what metro means. Yes, it is the same. It is the metro train. Yes. Le metro. The next word is l'avion. We have already seen this word and I already told you the meaning. I hope you remember it. L'avion means the aeroplane. L'avion. Le bateau. Le bateau. It means the boat. Le bateau. L'autobus. The l'autobus. It is the bus. L'autobus. The next word is la voiture. You must be pretty familiar with this word because we have used it often in many sentences. La voiture. What does it mean? It means car. La voiture. The next word is le taxi. Le taxi. It means the same. It is the taxi or the cab. Taxi. And the last word is le vélo. Le vélo. It is the bicycle. So we have learned some words related to the means of transport. The first word is le métro. The metro train. L'avion. It is the aeroplane. Le bateau. Le bateau. It is the boat. L'autobus. It is the bus. La voiture. La voiture is a car. Le taxi. Le taxi. It is the taxi or the cab. And finally, it is le vélo. Le vélo. It is the bicycle. And I have written 2 more words that you might be interested in learning. Une gare. Une gare. Gare is a railway station. Une gare. It is a railway station. And the last one is un billet de train. A train ticket. Un billet de train. So this is the expression you use to say a train ticket. Un billet de train. So we have learned the names of some means of transport. We have also learned 2 additional words. So what do we say for railway station? Une gare. Une gare. And how do you say train ticket? Un billet de train. Un billet de train. So I hope you have noted down these words. These are also words that can be useful to you.